That money is because what I'm about to show you today is 5 completely unfair, mind mess up things. They're marketing hacks that work no matter what. It's absolutely incredible, and I'm gonna go over these 5 marketing hacks that really mess with people's brains and can get them to buy products even they're not interested in. And I'm also gonna create an example using all 5 of these marketing hacks just to show you how effective these strategies can be. It's scarcity, urgency, authority social proof, celebrity social proof, and customer social proof. But I'm gonna be explaining each of these concepts and exactly how you can apply them, how you can revamp your marketing to include these, and just absolutely crush and make obscene amounts of money like I have. Let's go. Folks, if you're ready for some unfair information, I'm gonna show you, taking off the shit to show you exactly how this works. And I'm gonna go to the little bit of the dark side almost of marketing because it's so unfair how these can affect people's brains. The first marketing hack is scarcity. When you tell folks that there is a limited amount of something available, people just want to get it. People want to get things that are limited amounts. If I say, look, I'm having a special giveaway today, but it's only open to the next 5 people who sign up, people will rush to get the thing. If I say I have a special link down below, maybe I do, maybe I don't, but only 5 people, the first 5 people who watch this video are gonna see, people wanna get in on it even without knowing what it is, okay? Scarcity is huge, but there's another thing which works even better when combined with scarcity is urgency. Urgency is when there's a specific time window that you can get something in. So if I said I'm doing a giveaway for the next 5 people who watch this video all the way to the end, and it's today only, that adds urgency. That tells people that in order to get the item, they must act today. Now, a lot of companies use this. This is really popular on like Groupon, for instance, where they say we have a special discount, but it's only good today only. Amazon used to do this a ton, where they had special discounts that were only good for a 24-hour period or window. A lot of businesses do this. They say one-day sale, which means that you can only get that discount if you act today. Combining that with scarce resources is fantastic. Combine it with these 3 other tactics and you are golden. And I'm gonna put all of this together in a neat little ad you'll see in just a second here, which is probably something you've fallen for very recently, but we won't get into that. If anybody can guess what type of product I'm talking about that utilizes all of these hacks, let me know in the comments below. If you are excited by these, let me know. Number 3 is authority social proof. Now, an example of a financial authority might be somebody like Bill Gates or Warren Buffett or Elon Musk or Richard Branson. These are all very rich, wealthy people, and if you are looking for a business or a business opportunity to get involved with, well, if Elon Musk recommends it, go for it, right? I mean, Elon's the richest person in the world. How could he be wrong when giving financial advice, right? Now, for a health product, an authority might be, on losing weight, might be Dr. Oz or just any doctor. If it's doctor recommended skincare treatment or doctor recommended joint relief or doctor recommended shampoo or doctor recommended beard care, doctor recommended foot cream or pain medication, whatever it is, if it's doctor recommended, generally speaking, people are gonna go for it. Your doctor recommends you something, do what he recommends. That's what we're all taught by the media, by our parents, by society. You do what doctors say. I mean, how could you disagree with a doctor? Authorities can also be athletes. So if you're looking to build muscle, if you're looking for a workout routine, an athlete is somebody you might listen to. If you're looking to become really strong, you want to listen to what Arnold Schwarzenegger has to say. He's an authority in that field. It also brings us to number 4, which is celebrity social proof. Celebrity social proof is when a celebrity recommends something. In the last example I used, Arnold Schwarzenegger recommended testosterone supplement, or Arnold Schwarzenegger recommended protein supplement. It's gonna sell out, right? It's gonna sell out because he's not just an authority on muscle building, but he is a celebrity in the muscle building field. He was Mr. Universe, and he's a famous actor and governor-nator and all that stuff. So he has a double whammy right there.
Whammy! Whammy! Back to you, Ron.
You can almost sell out of a product just saying Arnold Schwarzenegger recommended muscle protein powder. Really, that's all you would need to say, and a lot of people would buy whatever it is you say. You know, it's that easy. If you add scarcity and urgency to it, you say Arnold Schwarzenegger recommended muscle building supplement, limited quantities available, today only, supplies will run out. You're gonna sell a lot of the supplement, right? Because again, today is the only day you can get it. Limited quantities available. It's recommended by Arnold Schwarzenegger, who knows muscle building, and he's famous, so of course the product's gonna sell out. You have to get your protein or testosterone booster or muscle building thing right now. If you want to get that thing. Even if I wasn't interested in working out, or if I wasn't into going to the gym or protein supplements, if I saw an ad like that and I believed it, I would buy it immediately. I'd have to believe it. As a marketer, I'm kind of jaded to these things because I've seen so many marketers abuse these mind hacks because they work so well. But if there was a believability aspect to it, I would go for it, and most people do. And the 5th mind hack is customer social proof, because again, limited quantities available, sells out, only available today. Arnold Schwarzenegger recommended muscle supplement. I wanna see what customers are saying. I wanna see real people using it, right? That adds the believability. So showing what real people are saying about a product is so important. Not just like fake people on a web page. I'm talking like a social media feed, like a Twitter comments. I want to see what people are saying about this on Instagram, on YouTube. You know, what are people on YouTube saying about this new Arnold Schwarzenegger recommended protein booster? So I want to see what those people are saying, and I want to see low resolution, camera phone, portrait mode style videos of real customers who are saying, dude, this works. I am buff like Arnold now. Seriously, this is the best protein supplement ever. You get all of these things correct, it doesn't matter what the product is, you can sell it. And let me give you a good example of bringing all of this together again. Real quick, folks, is this making sense? Okay, are you getting how marketing is? Are you getting that these are hacks? I mean, type in "I get it" down below if you really are starting to understand how marketing works and how easy it is to sell products if you just know the mental switches to hit. It's pretty fun. On a very personal note here, when you start really figuring out all of this stuff and being able to look for it and apply it like a second nature, like a sixth sense, you end up becoming a multi-millionaire. It works, and the people who get it and apply it, these secrets, become extraordinarily wealthy. Now let me show you how this all fits together. I'm going to use an example from popular culture. Let's talk about Bitcoin, right? Or crypto. Warren Buffett recommended crypto, 10,000 total coins, 1 coin per user. Last day to buy is tomorrow. George Clooney and Will Smith have already bought themselves. And then you have a whole stream of social media comments below whatever the post is saying, I'm getting this right now, from people on Twitch or Twitter or Instagram or YouTube. Folks, what's happening right now, all of these cryptos that are being sold, they're really being sold on, it's the scarcity. It's really the scarcity in many cases. It's the celebrity social proof. You have people who are not authorities at all, like Jake Paul, Logan Paul, all these different YouTubers are promoting all of these crypto coins, which are basically scams in my opinion, but people buy. Why are all of these crypto scams popping up? It's because people buy based on these 5 factors. They just work. I don't know how to say it any better. They just work. And crypto is one of the easiest things to use because generally speaking, they're scarce and they're recommended by celebrities, and it's a financial instrument. It's just money. So it's really easy if you can look for in whatever you're marketing as a marketer, whether you do affiliate marketing, which is what I teach, or whether you're running your own local agency like with my company Marketing Tech, or whatever you're doing, e-commerce, etc. You look for these 5 triggers, you look to see how you can apply those 5 triggers, and you will make way more money. You'll make a lot of money if you aren't making any. It works. Here's a little fun exercise. Write an ad, write a sentence promoting a product using all 5 of these triggers. You saw me use 2 examples. I said Arnold Schwarzenegger recommended protein supplement, limited quantity, blah, 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 blah. And you heard me do my Warren Buffett recommended crypto one as well. I'd like to see you write an ad, just a sentence or 2 of your own down in the comments below and just see how good it is. Guys, and like each other's comments, read through them and like the ones that are best. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up because I rock. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more advice on how to make just tons of money online and live a really cool life. And also, yeah, talk to you in the next video.